Never put empty plastic bottles into a bag this way. Unscrew the cap from the bottle and pull the bag over the threaded neck. Then screw the cap back on. Repeat with the remaining bottles. This keeps each one securely attached, so you can carry them all at once without the risk of them falling out. It's a simple trick that makes taking plastics to the trash or recycling bin much easier. Swap the caps from your rinse aid and cooking oil bottles. You'll never go back to the old way. Rinse the rinse aid cap under water to remove any residue, then place it on your oil bottle. This lets you pour oil with precision while cooking. No more spills or greasy stains on the bottle. Convenience, savings, and cleanliness, all in one simple move. I remove stickers from dishes in a minute. Stick a piece of tape over the label. Heat it with a lighter for a few seconds to soften the glue. Pull the tape off in one swift motion. The sticker comes off without a trace. Use this simple and effective method for clean dishes. This is how jewelers clean silver, but they'll never tell you. It involves several reactions that simply remove years of grime and restore the silver to its original shine. Prepare a large pan. Pour in about 2 cups of water, then bring it to a boil. Add 2 tablespoons of black tea. Its natural tannins help dissolve dirt and bring back the metal's former luster, while also giving it a subtle freshness. Add 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid, which will help remove greasy residues, dust, and other impurities, ensuring a deeper clean. Cut 1 lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly into the pan. The natural citric acid will brighten the silver and remove dark tarnish. Now, add a piece of aluminum foil, which, when combined with hot water and lemon, will transfer the dirt from the jewelry to the foil, speeding up the cleaning process. Place the silver jewelry into the pan and cook for 5 minutes to reach every spot. Pour everything into a bowl and let it sit for 30 minutes to allow the cleaning process to complete on its own. Then, remove the jewelry and gently rub its surface with the remaining lemon, bringing out the final shine. Lastly, add 1 denture cleaning tablet. Scrub every detail with a toothbrush and rinse with water. Admire how your silver regains its original, dazzling appearance. The jewelry gleams as if it just left the display case in an exclusive jewelry store. Never throw away old razors. Instead of spending money on new blades, try this genius trick. Look at this razor. Over time and with use, the blades become dull. They lose their sharpness because during shaving, they come into contact with tough hair and skin. Take a glass bowl. It should be big enough to cover the razor head. Pour warm water into it. The temperature is very important. It shouldn't be too hot or too cold. Now, add some salt and white vinegar. The salt helps dissolve residue, while vinegar acts as a natural cleaner. Then add isopropyl alcohol. This step is crucial because alcohol removes grease, dirt, and shaving residue, making the blades cleaner and more effective. Mix everything well so that the ingredients combine. Carefully place the used razors into the bowl, ensuring they are completely submerged. Cover the container with a plate and let it sit for 30 minutes. After this time, take the razors out of the mixture and dry them. Thanks to this method, the razors regain their sharpness and cut like new. No more constantly buying new razors. Now, each one will last much longer. You do not have to throw away your pants when the zipper breaks. Your favorite pants do not have to end up in the trash. There is no need to get rid of them. You also do not have to spend money on tailoring services and replacing the zipper. You can fix the zipper yourself in just a few minutes. Problems with zippers in pants happen often. Sometimes it is only a zipper that keeps coming undone. In that case, a simple rubber band is enough. Make a small loop on the zipper pull. Hook the end of the rubber band around the button. If the problem is the opposite and the zipper gets stuck, it is often enough to rub it with a candle or a bar of soap. But what if the slider has come off one side of the zipper tape? Grab a pair of scissors. No, do not worry. You will not need to rip the pants apart. You only need to cut out a few teeth. Only on one side of the zipper. And in the lower part. Slide the zipper down and see how tall the slider is. You need to cut the teeth to the same height as the slider. Cut the teeth on the tape without the slider. Here, the zipper is small, so you do not need to remove many teeth. Cut the zipper tape material between the teeth at the bottom, then make a cut at the marked height. Remove the teeth. At this moment, the missing teeth are clearly visible, but do not worry. First, put the slider back on. When those few teeth are missing, you will not have any problem doing it. Close the zipper. Simply sew the hole in the lower part of the zipper. Then the slider will no longer fall off the tape when the zipper is opened, and the hole will stop being visible. The only difference is that the zipper will be slightly shorter because you will open it a little less than before.
For old stains that have been on the paving stone for more than a few days, baking soda works better. It is one of the most effective tricks for removing this type of dirt. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on the stains and add water. The baking soda will start to foam, creating a cleaning substance. Then, scrub the stone with a brush. Pour plenty of water over the area and let it dry. The stains will vanish from the driveway and the paving stone will look like new. Pour this liquid on the paving stone. The oil stains will disappear. This trick costs pennies and the driveway will look like new. You can remove ugly oil stains caused by dripping from parked cars yourself. You don't need a pressure washer or chemical cleaners for this. It turns out you already have the necessary liquid in your kitchen. Just pour it on the paving stone. To clean, you will need dishwashing liquid and a brush with stiff bristles. Pour the dishwashing liquid generously on the stains. Then, scrub with a wet brush using circular motions. Dishwashing liquid works great on greasy stains. It is inexpensive and readily available. Add some water and scrub thoroughly. After a few minutes, the stain will start to disappear. Finally, rinse with water generously and you're done.
Insert cotton swabs into the holes of the power strip. Trim them beforehand to the proper length. Place them into the openings, one in each hole. Next, apply electrical tape and adjust it to the size of the strip, cutting a suitable piece. Now place the cable, coiled in a loop, against the strip. Wrap the cable around the strip to keep it from tangling. Finally, pass the plug through the loop you created and gently pull the cable tight. Everything stays neatly secured and ready for storage. Jewelers will never reveal this trick to you. Over time, silver tarnishes due to natural chemical reactions. It reacts with sulfur in the air, leading to oxidation and a color change. Prepare a pan and pour about 500 milliliters of water into it. Wait until the water boils. Drop the jewelry into the water, making sure it's completely covered. Add a tablespoon of toothpaste to the water, preferably one without abrasives. The toothpaste has cleaning properties and will not only help clean but also polish. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda, which will cause foam to appear, helping to squeeze the dirt out of the jewelry and eliminate any unpleasant odors. Also add a tablespoon of salt. Salt helps keep silver in good condition, preventing further tarnishing and oxidation. Now, take a piece of aluminum foil and tear it off. Fold it into a smaller rectangle. The foil acts as a catalyst in the cleaning process, speeding up chemical reactions, allowing the silver to become cleaner and shinier. Add the piece of foil to the jewelry. Heat everything for a few minutes. All the dirt will come out of the silver. This simple combination will restore the silver's shine as if it were professionally cleaned by a jeweler, and every crevice will shine like new.